The tools we're going to need is a jack stands, two 21mm sockets with a ratchet, a breaker bar, 15 to 19mm wrenches, or you could even use an adjustable wrench. As always, safety is very important, so please wear proper PPE and practice good common sense. Make sure to keep all your lug nuts in one spot. Take your vice grip, lock it on top to keep the whole shock from moving. Get your wrench size 15 and take it off on top. And just keep moving until you loosen the whole thing. And then take off the nut and then go ahead and remove the old bushing and washer. Here we have a 21mm nut and bolt. So what we're going to do is go ahead and take your breaker bar right here, attach it to one side to keep it from moving. Take your ratchet and your 21mm socket and take off the other side, push that bolt out. And now that's loose, so we're going to go ahead and take this old shock out. Look at that, shot, done, toss it. Here's a brand new one. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and take a look at it. First thing we're gonna do is inspect it, make sure we're good to go. Next, we're gonna try the nut, make sure it fits on the thread, and then assemble the proper way, putting the washer on, the bushing, the other washer, and then for the top. All right, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall the brand new shocks. So what you don't wanna do is hit it onto anything and damage it. So we're gonna go down and up and then align all the holes. Then put the bolt through, rethread the nut. You wanna hand start that. Then go ahead and put on your breaker bar and then go ahead and start tightening. All right, just gonna take a look underneath. Washer, bushing, washer. So you wanna make sure that's good to go. And then the washer with the larger lip, you wanna have that go first, kind of going up like a bowl. And of course your washer on top. So think of it like a hamburger. You wanna kind of pack it in layers. And then the other washer with a smaller lip, you wanna have that go over and push through the thread. And then go ahead and get that nut started, hand tightening. And then take your 15mm socket and ratchet and go ahead and start tightening it down. So that's kind of how it looks, kind of like two Oreo cookies. And just going to tighten that down, and you want to tighten until the shock itself starts moving on the bottom, and then go ahead and grip it and tighten it down even more. You want to tighten until it's pretty snug. Okay, so once you get the wheel back on, what you want to do is go ahead and blow out any dust particles inside the lug nuts, and then go ahead and get that started by hand tightening on the threads. My DeWalt impact drill definitely saved a lot of time. I really highly recommend buying an impact drill. It makes working a whole lot easier.